racing just started. We have Dauntless, break quickly restart, moving upon the inside Classical Gin, sharp as ever comes next, then followed by Soulmate, right direction, then comes Classical Beat, then next on line is Airborne Magic, Director's Astra, what's up is that on the inside, twice as lucky, then comes Mark Jason Hill, Charm Offensive comes next in Triguero, while Ariana Mimo is the only trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch. We have Dauntless by about 2 lengths. Sharp as ever is right behind in second. Airborne Magic, what's up, right direction, twice as lucky comes next. Then here comes Charm Offensive, now moving up down the inside. Then comes Classical Junior, Director's Astra, then moving up on the outside is Classical Beat. Soulmate comes next, Mark Jason Hill in Triguero, while Ariana Mimo is still racing in 14th. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Classical Beat moving up now on the outside is Sharp as ever. Airborne Magic likewise moving up, and as they swing to round, we have Sharp as ever by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside is Airborne Magic, right direction. Last 75 meters, we have Sharp as ever, and finally Sharp as ever. The second is close. Airborne Magic, right direction.
Alright, number 7, Sharp as ever. Ang siyang unang tuwid sa ating finish line, written by C.B. Garganta. Then may close for second between right direction and number 9, Airborne Magic. Alawin natin, replay nitong race number 4.